What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a follow-up video on our M18 brushless fuel 16-inch chainsaw, battery operated, obviously. Our neighbor recently cut down a tree in their yard, and the tree company that came out to do it saw that I had a pile of wood out here, and they were wondering if I wanted the wood, and I told them, why not? So I've got some of these big chunks, named hand-eye coordination. Got some of these big chunks over here. I've got this bad boy right here. That's definitely thicker than 16 inches, so we'll see if we can cut through that. That's the whole point of this video. I guess let's get right to it. The main reason I wanted to make this video is because I get a lot of crap, whether it's from coworkers or friends or even people in previous comments saying, that's a cute chainsaw and all, but will it do the job? And obviously it's been doing the job for me. I've had this for several years now, and I just want to show you guys what this thing is capable of. Right, so I've got some measuring tape right here. That's a 14-inch log, and then we'll keep it in real time. Got a 5 amp hour battery in here. And that took 2 bars down from the 5 amp hour battery. And just to confirm, that is 15 inches. And this one's about 16. So at the thickest it's 16, but the line we went down is 15 inches. And just keep in mind, this was just cut maybe 3 or 4 months ago. While we're making this video, I want to show you guys real quick how to increase the tension on the chain once it starts getting loose. With this lever, this is our safety lever. When it's up like this, that means that it's ready to operate. Lock it like that, and we're locked out. Or you can just pull the battery out. So on the back of this, right here, is the tool, and it's usually a struggle to get out. So what I'll just got a hook off a ratchet strap. And just pull straight out. And then on the side right here, what we'll do is we'll loosen up these two, I want to say they're 14 mils. Just get them a little loose. Go. And then you'll see right here there's a positive and a negative. Positive to increase tension, so we're going to go in the positive direction. To increase the tension, I'm going to loosen these up a little bit more. Give it a little bit of tension like that. Okay, and then we can go ahead and secure these 14 mils. We don't want to go too crazy. Let's call it hand tight. You want it to have slack. Alright. Then I'll go ahead and put the tool back in. And then one other thing is you want to make sure that you have a bar oil or chainsaw oil in here. You can just buy it at your local hardware store, or I can insert links in the description down below. Let's go ahead and put our 8 amp hour battery in here and do another cut. I want to try to go after one of those thick boys, so let's do that. So this right here, this is pretty overkill. I'll probably never have to face one of these again, but since the neighbor cut this down and offered it up, I kind of regret accepting the offer. So we're at 18 inches. And what's the, that's 19. Oh no, 20. Okay. Let's see if we can do this. There we go. Let's see how much battery that killed on our 8 amp hour. It took a bar off. 1 bar off a 19-inch cut. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Hopefully this video gives you an idea of the capabilities of this beast. Yes, it's not as powerful as a gas chainsaw, but it does do the job, as you guys saw. I've been happy with it so far. It's been several years since I've uploaded the last video on it, and I've been putting this thing to use. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down in the comment section down below. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the model number and any of the miscellaneous tools / bar oil, chainsaw oil that I use in conjunction with this. Heck, I'll even insert a link to the splitting maul that I use. Highly recommend that one. I might actually do a video on that one next. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to do more of this kind of content. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.